G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In the tutorial tonight, we are going to be looking at one of Canva's apps, and that is called Brand Fetch. Now, where to find Brand Fetch? Well, all we do is we go into the apps and we type in there Brand Fetch, and when you press enter, the Brand Fetch icon will come up, and you simply just click on the icon. So, have you ever wanted to find a logo that you needed for a design or something, a presentation that you're doing? Well, this is a place to go within Canva. As you can see, trending on Brand Fetch, you've got Canva, Google, X Corp, Reddit, Shopify, and a random brand. So if you click on that, it will do its search and come up with a random brand, and this has come up with Cloudflare. So if you wanted to say look for Adidas, adidas.com, and you can click on that one, and it will give you the logos of Adidas, it will give you the colors, and it will give you an image. So if you click on the logos and click on one of the logos, it will bring that into your design like so. So again, if you wanted to say search for Nike, it will bring up Nike and it's verified, and you can click on any of the logos and it will bring it in. Say for example you wanted another shoe brand, Reebok for example, it can't find that one. Alright, um, what's another one? Can't think of another one right now. Okay, say for example you wanted to look for a book. Okay, so Booktopia is one of the book companies that I use online. So click on that one and it will bring up logos, again colors and images, and click on it and it will drag it into there. If you wanted to look for a streaming service, so Netflix, it will bring up Netflix and click on that. It will identify some logos, click on it and bring it into your design. Again, it will give you colors and images. What about um, 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 sport? It'll give you something there. How about DHL? Yep, and it'll give you the courier company. So you can click on that. It'll bring up some logos and click on the logo and pop it in your design. So it has most of the logos that we were after that I typed in as part of this. And for those that it doesn't, well, you just have to look somewhere else. So as I always say, have fun with Canva and hope you learnt something and enjoyed this short little tutorial. So feel free to jump on to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button, subscribe, like and share. And until next time, have fun with Canva.